What's up everybody, this is Adam with Everyday Retro Gaming, and we're going to open up a PlayStation 3 controller. This battery in here is going bad, so I went on Amazon and picked up another one, and the one that I needed to get was the LIP1359, because this is the one that this one uses. I would always make sure to open up your controller first if you notice the battery is going bad, just to verify what size you need, as some DualShock 3s have a smaller battery in it that has one of these kind of frames in there to help hold it in place. This one doesn't. I did open it up just to verify. So we'll get this thing opened. The only tool you should really need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I also bought some tweezers just in case, but you are able to unplug it pretty easily. So let's get into it. So first of all, there's only 5 screws. There's nothing underneath the sticker here, so you don't need to take that off. So we'll just get these taken off real quick here. Now when you're going to open up a DualShock 3 controller, you're going to want to open up from the top, not from the bottom. There is a clip down here that I've broken off on a couple of them. If you do end up breaking it off, it's not a big deal, but it's just something that you want to be aware of. Usually I tend to push the buttons in a little bit as I'm taking it off. Kind of lift up on the bottom half, and it should just pop out. There you go. So this battery actually is a little bit different. This one has a bottom, has some clips on there. Overall, if you do notice that yours does have that, it's probably not a big deal, but you can still take it out here, pinch the sides, of course. Like I said, if you're having problems, you can always use a pair of tweezers. There you go. This might have to just float in there. I would recommend not having it float in there, but if it does, well, it should be okay. So take the new battery, plug it in, should be good to go. So if your L2 buttons come off, always just make sure that the metal piece just slides back in there. Do a couple little test things. So you want your metal piece to be right there. Hopefully that shows up. So once that's in there, get the buttons down. Make sure the buttons slide in through the holes here. Should be good to go. The new battery's working fine. Nice, so it's not too bad. Overall, pretty simple fix. Probably replacing the battery is one of the easiest things you can do in the PS3 controller. Do not be afraid if you need to do it and get that done. But other than that, yeah, you should be good to go. Now when you do look at these batteries, I'm not sure you can really tell on this one, but this is my Nintendo DS battery. It's starting to bloat a little bit. Regrettably, I cannot find another battery online. I think the original DS's batteries are really hard to get. So if you see it starting to bloat, take it out, put it off somewhere, get rid of that battery. It's starting to go bad. But other than that, hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. We'll see you in the next video. Stay retro, stay safe. I hope you find the games you're looking for, and I hope you all have a good one. Later.